G'day, we're heading out on a weekend camping trip with the boys this weekend. It'll be the first trip for both the F-truck and the camper I picked up a few months ago in preparation for getting the F-truck. If you've seen any of my other videos, you would have seen the Navara that has been set up for camping. I've took that up the Cape a few times, a few beach trips here and there, four-wheel driving and all that sort of stuff. When I went to purchase the F-truck, I didn't want to set up another canopy, so I've gone and purchased a Stony Creek Nugget 2 and moved a heap of gear from the Navara over to the Nugget, including the rooftop tent. Got a new awning, fridge and all that sort of stuff now in the Nugget, so we'll head out and see what we get up to along the way. Just pulled up to this hip camp outside of Imbil. I need to set the camper up. Hopefully if there's enough light I'll do a quick walk around to the camper, but still one of the best features for the F150 tailgate, they come with bottle openers. It's not even a latch for something else. So grab a beer. There's still a little bit of light left, so I'll do a quick run through of the camper. I haven't really changed too much. I did buy it second hand. It's a Stony Creek Nugget 2 rooftop tent camper. They do come with a Dachi 2200 high view rooftop tent and Dachi side 180, sorry, and a Dachi 270 freestanding awning. I've actually gotten rid of both the rooftop tent and the awning that came with it, and moved my Drifter 1.2 from the Navara onto the rooftop tent, and got a new Dachi 270 awning with the LED lighting in the arms, just to make things a little bit easier, not have to worry about lights or additional lighting, I guess. So obviously slide out kitchen, a bit of a pantry, fridge slide. There's 80 litres of water underneath with a pump. I've got this companion hot water system. I made up a gas hose so it'll plug into the gas bayonet down there and feed water directly out of the tank off its own pump. Power, assorted plugs and whatnot. I've got my drone in there, camera gear, and I added a few charging ports as well so we can keep things charged. Bag down there with all the different connectors you could think of. This one I just used for the sleeping gear. The front one goes through the other side, but it's got the pump and a fire extinguisher, first aid kit and that sort of thing in there. The Drifter 1.2, gas, 2 4.5 kilo gas bottles in this side, and another pantry slide in the other side. Spare wheel and tyre 33s, keep you a fair bit of clearance. Another box at the top here, just got bits and pieces in there. The axe and that stays in there. Another pantry slide. I know some people use these for baby cues and that sort of thing. I don't have one. Never really found the need for one. Dometic 2 burner gas barbecue. I haven't turned the gas on yet. Water on tap. My butane barbecue there. Pantry. Food stuff tend to be underneath, plus the slide in the front, and I've just got like cutlery and utilities and that sort of stuff in the top. Most importantly, fridge, keep all the beers cold. Yeah. Great little setup here. Oh, the two 170 watt solar panels on the roof going through DC-DC charger, and then I've got the Anderson on the front as well to cruise along. Fire.